icospore, herbalist, botanist, and forager, and I'm excited to tell you about my online foraging course. We live in a world that's naturally rich in food and medicine. Imagine being able to walk out your back door and see the bounty that's been right at your fingertips all along. Plants that you might have dismissed as pesky weeds are suddenly your newest best friends. Foraging course, you'll learn how to transform these abundant wild plants into vital food and potent medicinal remedies. The course begins with the basic ground rules of foraging safety and ethics, and then moves on to botany and plant identification. Before you know it, you'll have the skills and confidence to safely identify and harvest wild plants. You'll befriend the most common, abundant wayside plants, including dandelion, stinging nettles, burdock, yarrow, rose, and many others. You'll explore each of our weedy starlets from top to bottom. Like human relationships, our connection to plants is strongest when we're truly familiar. Our instructors include seasoned herbalists and longtime foragers. People with a deep-rooted kinship to the land and the wild plants they use as food and medicine. Personally, over the past 25 years, I've taught thousands of students about wild foods and herbs. Is over 500 pages long and filled with close-up ID photos, medicinal uses, and loads of easy-to-follow recipes. In fact, most of our plant profiles contain more detail than you'll find in any book on wild foods and herbs. And the icing on the cake? You'll have lifetime access to all the course materials so you can return to the videos, lessons, and recorded lectures year after year. I hope you'll join us when you're ready to dive into the wide world of foraging.